Chattahoochee Garage Door makes life a little easier with the new Lift Master Opener with MyQ technology. The simple-to-use phone app allows you full remote control from anywhere, even alerting you when the garage is accidentally left open. Call now and save over $200. Get a garage door monitor and a light control free. Let the professionals at Chattahoochee Garage Door install the new Lift Master Opener with MyQ technology into your garage today. It just makes life a little easier.